Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. In today's video, we'll be going fidget hunting at Learning Express, TJ Maxx, and Lakeshore. So right here, we're here at Learning Express, and now let's head in. Okay, so we just walked in. Let's see what's on the bottom row. I have no idea what this is. It looks like some kind of balloon. And then right here we have some kind of orbs. Oh, guys, there's those fidget spinners with simple dimples on them. Whoa, they're actually very cool. I've never had one. $8.99 for one fidget spinner? Wow, that's very expensive. There's more fidget spinners. There's all different colors. Okay, let's see what else they have. Oh, so here's simple dimples. Yeah.
Like, it's very holdable.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, this is a giant tangle.
Oh my gosh, that's so jumbo. It's really big. $22? Wow, that's so expensive. It's very good like that. And it's actually a keychain.
Yeah, so you can like hang it up on your
$7 for this.
Oh, these cute mochis.
Wow.
There's even a panda.
Look at that duck.
Oh my gosh, these are so cute.
Yeah.
I really want to get this like duck and panda. There's so many. Oh my gosh, look at this unicorn fidget spinner dimple.
And yeah, look guys, look at this snap. I've never seen one before.
Oh, look at all of these. There's so many mesh balls.
Okay, let's take a look.
And they're like zombies and aliens. Like, look at that. The red brain.
Whoa. Look at these.
Oh.
Wait, there's monkey noodles? That's nice. Look at its hair. It's so fluffy. Pandas, wait, are they like marshmallows on a stick?
Rachel, come here. Look at all of these squishmallows.
Oh my gosh,
like
there's so many.
And there's a bunch over here. Look, oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful.
I have one that is like this kind of color, but this is so
It's like an octopus jellyfish or
They're
something.
so cute. Guys, here's the Poppet Land. Oh my gosh, there's so many. This giant rainbow poppet. Whoa, this is like super like rare. Like, look at that. I've never seen one like this.
It's so giant.
Yeah, it's so big.
There's a bunch of mini chains too.
Yeah, this place is like fidget heaven. Some other stuff, Rubik's Cubes. Okay, so here's the... I don't know what even this is. Is that like a crab? A crab? Oh, it's a crab.
Oh,
It's a crab, but I don't even know where its eyes are. You guys, look at this cactus. It is literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, it is very cute. It's blushing. It's very squishy.
Oh my god, yay.
Yeah. Whoa, these are very vibrant as well.
It's always rainbow. Never end. Look at this sleeping bag with Orbeez inside. It looks so weird.
Oh, you guys, look at this fox. It's so cute. Look at it. Wow, that is so cute. Let's see this octopus. This. Oh, it's like those flip-a-zoo things. It's kind of hard to pop, though. Okay, let's explore some more. What is this? It's so rainbow. And then you have some kind of, these look like sort of tangles, kind of. A bunch of squishies. Whoa, it's so slow rising. And then right here we have this heart poppet. Whoa, it's like,
Look what I just
it's like has plastic on it. Other poppets don't have any of that.
Look what I just found. It's a DNA ball with eyeballs. It's like Halloween.
Oh my gosh, it'd be perfect, yeah, for Halloween.
To scare other people.
So squishy. It's like a DNA ball.
Of these.
You guys, look at this. There's so many fidgets in here. A DNA ball.
Feels like there's glue inside almost.
Yeah. Let's feel this. It's kind of sticky though. It's very sticky.
There's so many, like, are these monkey noodles or like stretch?
Whoa, they're so like textured well. Some kind of squishy frogs. Oh, they're orbeez in them.
Remind me of munchies, not gonna lie.
What is this? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a dog in a mug.
Oh my gosh, look at the cutest thing I found. It's like a cracked egg with a dinosaur that comes out.
Yeah.
It's like a baby.
More mochis. Candies. Oh, here you have the silly putties. Guys, look, it's Winnie the Pooh. It's missing the honey though. It should have came with honey.
There's a lot of.
So here we have more monkey noodles. DNA balls. And then, oh, here's water snakes. There's blue and green colors. And then these colored snappers. Here's a bouncy ball. It kind of looks like those gumballs, you know those? Whoa, look at these french fries. It's very slow rising as well.
Look, I found this jumbo green glittery mesh ball. It's like so big.
Wow. Yeah, it's very big. Oh my gosh, it makes a noise. Guys, here's dope slimes.
This is the human side.
I didn't know they actually sell slime like in stores. I thought it was only online. And then, wait. You guys, that literally looks real. Now we're at TJ Maxx. You guys won't believe it, but TJ Maxx has poppets. So many of them. Whoa, you guys. This is very pretty, this dino.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look, we need to get this.
Whoa. So look.
There's even a slime kit. There's a lot of poppets here.
The butterfly looks very pretty. Ooh, there's even a blue stress ball. Whoa, this one's actually pretty good. From both sides. Oh, it's actually not that good. Okay, let's take this off. Come on, why is it stuck? Okay, you guys, look at this rainbow poppet. I love the colors. I've never seen like a dino shape like this. Usually it only shows the mouth.
We have this. I didn't know that mine's broken.
You guys, there's this duo pack with a unicorn and a pineapple. This is definitely by far my favorite. Like, look at this pineapple. It's like a rainbow. And it's only $6. So compared to Learning Express, these prices are out of the world. Like, literally 2 poppets for $6. That is insane. Guys, look at this rainbow poppet. All of these colors are so beautiful. And then right here we have these like 2 daisy flowers. They're all kind of this marble effect. And then this duo pack with a dinosaur. Cute butterflies. There's just so many poppets here for such a great price. Three putties. And one of these putties is even glow in the dark. Also, I think there's more putties over there. Pink, blue, and green ones. There's all sorts of different colors. So here's everything we're getting from TJ Maxx. I know it's a lot, but we definitely hit the jackpot here. The prices are great. The fidgets are really awesome. And in my next video, we will do a fidget haul of everything we got. So definitely hit up your local TJ Maxx and get some fidgets. Our next stop is Lakeshore. It is kind of similar to Learning Express. So right over here at Lakeshore, there's some kind of like cubbies filled with a bunch of stuff. What is this? Oh, I think it's like a pig. It's a really nice stress ball that's textured. Reminds me of like those textured monkey noodles. So it's super like soft, and I really like it. It is only filled with air though. It doesn't have anything like gooey or stuff inside. Right on top, I think those are like putty or slime. There are definitely not many fidgets here. I did talk to the lady, and she said that if there are fidgets, they get sold out fast. Wait, I think this is the air and sensory putty. I did notice a lot of places do have it.
With glitter. It's like a clear slime. It looks really pretty.
Whoa, yeah.
So it actually kind of looks really nice.
And then lots of like these putties.
What is this? Rachel, look, I found a fidget. I think it's a tangle.
Yeah, it's a tangle. It's actually like the first fidget we found here, and there's only one of them, so we better get it. And then look, this girl already opened it. Someone already opened it, but it was already opened before. So.
It looks actually really satisfying.
It sort of reminds me of like a fidget cube.
There's a lot of slime with like different colors. This one comes with a charm.
How do I put it back? How do I put it back though? Wait, what? Whoa. Oh. I don't know how to put it back. Okay, so let's look around some more. Glue sticks and like supplies. Okay, so I think we found something. Oh yeah.
It's like 4th of July themed.
Oh yeah. I'm not really like sure what this is though. It's not really squishy or anything. It's just like plastic. So like some stickers. Whoa, it's rubber. It's rubber. It's so pretty. Whoa, there's so many putties. Okay, so sorry. So now we're in a different aisle. It looks like there's jumbo putty modeling foam. That's actually kind of a fidget. Let's look around. Some slime kits. I mean, this isn't really that much of a fidget. Model Magic can be like a fidget clay. Lots of like toys for kids. I think this is like a science lab slime kit. Look at it. It's like a mad scientist. I can tell by like the crazy hair and the goggles. Oh, look at this jumbo potty. It says it's bouncy.
It's so big.
Yeah, it's very big. And this one, I really like these colors. They have these fuzzy. Whoa. They're very sparkly.
Stickers, there's stickers.
There's beads.
There's a lot of things like to make DIY.
Oh, there's the foams. Remember, but we already have, so.
Yeah.
Right here we have the foam. The kinetic sand. Bunch of. I like that. Purple one is good. So here were all of the fidgets we were able to find at Lakeshore, and these are the ones we're getting. I really like the duck. It's probably my favorite. Comment down below which fidget toy was your favorite. Mine is probably the pineapple poppet that we found at TJ Maxx. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It would be super duper awesome if you subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video where me and my sister do a fidget haul of all of the fidgets we bought. And I do gotta say, a lot of these fidgets are expensive. So if you want to learn how to make DIY fidget toys, check out my description and I have my DIY fidget toy videos linked below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. A little PS, thank you guys so much for 50,000 subscribers. That's literally insane. And I love you all so much, and I'm grateful for every single one of you guys. A special video will be coming soon. And yeah, I love you all. Bye. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you all so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe and turn notifications on with the first 20 people to comment #ChillificationSquad once you've done that.